In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome desktop. To begin, open Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Make sure the browser is active and selected on your screen before moving to the next part. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications menu, depending on how you normally launch Chrome. Once Google Chrome is open, press the F11 key on your keyboard. On most Windows computers, this will instantly turn full screen mode on. As soon as you press it, Chrome will expand to take over the entire screen. If you want to disable full screen mode and return Chrome to its normal window view, press F11 again. The same key works as a toggle, so it both enables and disables full screen mode. That means you do not need to open any menus or change any settings inside Chrome. If pressing F11 does not seem to work right away, check that Chrome is the active window and try again. On some keyboards, especially on laptops, you may need to hold the function key and then press F11, depending on your keyboard settings. That small difference can matter if your function keys are assigned to hardware controls like volume or brightness by default. That covers everything you need to know.